Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm bringing you the latest and most important details about the Canada Open Work Permit 2025, including eligibility, application process, and key updates you need to know. If you're planning to work in Canada in 2025, this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss out on crucial information. Also, if you're new here, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss more valuable content like this. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Let's dive in. What is an open work permit? A Canada Open Work Permit allows you to work for most employers in Canada without needing a specific job offer before applying. Unlike employer-specific permits, it offers employment flexibility, making it a popular choice for foreign nationals seeking work opportunities in Canada. Now, let's break down who qualifies for this permit. General eligibility criteria. To be eligible for a Canada Open Work Permit, you must intend to leave Canada when your work permit expires, have enough funds to support yourself during your stay and for your return, obey the law and have no criminal record, be in good health, which may require a medical exam. But it doesn't end there. Let's talk about the specific eligibility categories you need to be aware of. Specific eligibility categories. You may qualify for an open work permit under several categories. 1. Post-graduation work permit, PGWP. Must have completed a program of at least 8 months at a designated learning institution. Apply within 180 days of receiving your final grades. 2. Spouses or common law partners of skilled workers. Principal worker must be employed in a high-skilled occupation, Tier 0 or 1, with a valid work permit or authorization valid for at least 16 months at the time of application. 3. Spouses or common law partners of international students. As of January 21, 2025, eligibility is limited to spouses of students enrolled in master's, PhD, or select professional programs. 4. Bridging Open Work Permit, BOWP, for those awaiting a decision on their permanent residence application and meeting specific criteria. Now, let's go over the application process. Application process overview. Applying for a Canada Open Work Permit involves a few steps. 1. Confirm eligibility. Ensure you meet the criteria for your specific category. 2. Gather required documents. This includes valid passport, passport-sized photographs, proof of legal status in Canada, if applicable, supporting documents relevant to your eligibility category. 3. Submit application. Apply online through the official Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, website. 4. Await processing. If approved, you'll receive your work permit or a port of entry letter of introduction if applying from outside Canada. Now, let's move on to the latest updates effective January 21, 2025. Key updates effective January 21, 2025. Here are some important changes to the Open Work Permit eligibility criteria. Spouses of skilled workers. The principal worker must be employed in a high-skilled occupation, Tier 0 or 1, with a valid work permit or authorization valid for at least 16 months at the time of the spouse's application. Spouses of international students. Eligibility is now limited to spouses of students enrolled in master's, PhD, or select professional programs. Dependent children. Dependent children are no longer eligible for open work permits under this measure. These changes are important, so make sure you meet the updated criteria before applying. Tips for a successful application. Here are some tips to boost your chances of a successful application. Apply early. Submit your application well in advance to account for processing times. Complete documentation. Ensure all your documents are accurate and complete to avoid unnecessary delays. Stay informed. Regularly check the IRCC website for updates on policies and processing times. If you're getting value from this video so far, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and is not legal or immigration advice. Policies and requirements may change, So make sure to visit the official IRCC website for the most accurate and up-to-date information. I am not an immigration consultant or lawyer, so please do your own research and consult with a professional if necessary. Conclusion: in summary, the Canada Open Work Permit 2025 offers great opportunities for those looking to work in Canada. Make sure you meet all eligibility requirements, gather your documents properly, and apply before the deadlines. For more helpful tips and updates, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything important. Thanks for watching, and all the best.
If you want to move abroad and you don't know what to do, you need direction, contact us today. We have a solution for you. Having lived abroad for over 10 years and based on my experience in guiding people via my YouTube videos and through one-on-one consultations, I have everything it takes to guide you. Whether you want to move abroad for work or for studies or through other legit ways. It doesn't matter where you are currently, we've got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Make that booking right now. And guess what? It is affordable. Many years ago, I paid an agent an amount in that category. That was, I think, 2009 or 2010, thereabout. And now it has paid off. Why should you book a session with us today? I've traveled to over 7 countries in the world. I've helped several people to move abroad. Some moved through work, some moved through studies. Booking a session with us is better than watching videos because you can talk to us directly, you can ask your questions, and we can answer you directly. We can tailor our advice to your own immigration need. Talking to us can save you from scam. There's a lot of scam all over in the world right now, so that's why you need to be careful. When you talk to us, we can help you and we can advise you based on your own budget. We can advise you on the right country to go to based on your budget and interest. So contact us today so that you can move abroad faster and also move to the right place. Moving to the right country will help you to establish fast. Apart from one-on-one consultation, we also offer CV services. If you want to create a new CV, maybe you don't have a CV yet, okay, or you want to upgrade the one you have into a European standard CV, also contact us today. Our CVs are world class. Contact us today. Let's create a compelling and an eye-catchy CV that will get the mind of employers to increase your employability. We also offer university admissions abroad for those who want to study abroad. For one-on-one consultation and CV services, check the links attached to this video or the links under this video. And for admission to study abroad, please contact us on either Instagram or Facebook first. And when you book for our services, please also reach out to us on either Instagram or Facebook. So what are you waiting for? Do the needful. Let your international journey begin now.